In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move frame by frame in Clipchamp with ease. Whether you're a new user or have some experience with this platform, navigating your video project frame by frame can be incredibly useful for making those precise edits. Let's jump right in and learn how you can take full control over your video edits. To start, open your web browser and go to clipchamp.com. This is the first step in accessing the online video editor. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option to sign in. You'll want to click on that. After clicking, you'll notice a few different sign-in options. For today's guide, let's go ahead and click on the option that says Continue with Microsoft. This selection will prompt you to log in with your Microsoft account, so ensure you have your credentials handy. After logging in successfully, you need to select your Microsoft account from the list to proceed. Once signed in, you'll land on the Clipchamp homepage. Now the next thing you'll want to do is to click on Create a New Video. It's usually found prominently on the interface. This option opens up the video editor for you to get started on your project. As the video editor loads, take note of the option labelled Import Media. By clicking this, you can browse your computer to import the video clips and other media files you plan to use. After importing, it's time to organise your files. You'll do this by dragging and dropping your selected media onto the timeline below. Such an intuitive interface makes it straightforward to start arranging your sequence. Now that your media is on the timeline, click once on the video clip you wish to edit. Doing so will highlight it and bring up additional editing options. Locate the setting named Speed above the timeline or on the right sidebar, typically used to adjust how fast or slow the clip plays. Here, slowly drag the speed slider down to 0.1. This action effectively slows down your video, allowing you to move through it frame by frame, giving you the level of detail needed for refined editing, especially if you're trying to capture or alter a particular moment. Adjusting the speed like this is especially handy when you work on intricate edits or need to hone in on specific details within your footage. And there you have it. You are now equipped to navigate through your video frame by frame using Clipchamp. Keep these steps in mind as you continue to enhance your projects or explore new creative ideas. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give it a try and happy